As you can see down the road, down this driveway, split it half and half. He don't need it in the middle, he don't drive in the middle. He wants it where his tires go. I'll show you how it's done. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're spreading some 1.5 inch gravel. We're gonna split the load in half down the driveway with this device that's in the trailer. Half on one side of the driveway and the other half on the other side of the driveway. The gentleman only wants the gravel where his tires go. He don't want the gravel in the middle. He already has rock there and he doesn't drive there. He only wants rock where his tires go. All right, we're sitting just under 8 tons. Now one would wonder, how are you going to divide this load in half and spread it from the trailer? Half and half, equal on each side. Well, I'll show you. Pretty simple. Get this thing done. All right, we're going to take this load, we're sitting just under 8 tons, and we're going to divide it in half, right down the middle. Spread half on one side, spread the other half on the other side, evenly. I'll show you how it's done. You can see that driveway or not. What we've done so far, no rock in the middle, he only wants rock on the outside. We got everything set up in the back. Ready to pop the tailgate, spread this load out, put you up here on top. See it all come out. Alright, the device I'm using for this, it's all homemade. All this is 2 triangle pieces of steel welded together, homemade hinge. Alright, the way I'm able to separate the loads or divide the load in half, take 2 triangles, a piece of a trailer safety chain, U-bolt off an old boat trailer. That way it'll only open up so far. Get a little bit of support in the middle. And when you put 7 tons of rock up against it, like that, fold. This in here like so. Tailgate, I'll put a piece angle on each side. That'll keep it from opening trying to made it work. That way it's easy to store. Like what you've seen, if it helps you out, great. Like, subscribe, share. More of this to come. Thanks for watching. Storing it. Have a compartment I've made up underneath the trailer. Put it there. I've got my chain sitting there. Everything's down underneath the trailer. Out of my way. get all this closed up and we'll get out of here.